How to create account on battle.net. Are you guys facing issues to create an account on battle.net? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To create an account on battle.net, first of all, open battle.net application on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download this application on your Android device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, you are looking to create an account, right? Just simply select the last option, create account. After you click on create account, you will be forwarded to this interface where you can see these options. To create an account, you can just simply create the account using a Google ID, Facebook ID, and also Apple ID. Just simply select the one according to your preference. If you select your Google ID or Gmail ID, just simply tap on it and you need to write down your registered email and password. After you write it down, click on continue. They might send you verification code. Write down the verification code and you will be successfully create your account on battle.net. That's it, guys. That's how you're going to download or create account on battle.net. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.